Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maria Jorevic Makasakit. I am 40 years old, married with 4 children, ages 18, 15, 13, and 9 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the third in the family. I have a working experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 6 years. My first employer is a Filipino family. I serve 3 members of the family, Madam and Sir, and a 1-month-old baby girl. My main duty is taking care of the baby. My second employer is a Filipino family. I serve 4 members of the family, Madam and Sir, and the children ages 3 years old and 5 years old. My main duty is taking care the children, send them to school, cook their food. I also do household chores such as cleaning the house, washing, ironing, cooking, and marketing. I love taking care of baby. I can sing a nursery song such as Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. So if you will give me an opportunity to work to your family, I promise that I will do my best to be a good helper to you, especially to your kids. Thank you and God bless.